the celestial Ganges, and the Dolphin constellation. In this video, I focus on two chapters within the cosmology section of the ancient Indian scripture, the Bhagavat Purana, or Srimad Bhagavatam. Chapter 17 of the 5th canto of the Bhagavatam describes the celestial flow and origin of the sacred river Ganges. Its spiritual essence comes from beyond this universe, the Causal Ocean. Long ago, in order to remove the Asura Bali from power, the dwarf incarnation of the Lord Viṣhṇu used a transcendental step to penetrate the top of this universe. Celestial water entered via the hole that was made. Heading downward, it flows through the divine Dhruvalok, then past the 7 sages, known by many today as the constellation of Ursa Major or Big Dipper. Along its journey, the celestial Ganges flows along the back of the Sisumara, or part of the Milky Way. More on that later. From there to the moon via an area of space which has many celestial vimanas. Then to the top of Mount Meru, where it splits into 4. Lord Shiva's head cushions the landing of this celestial water upon the earth, otherwise the planet would be destroyed. Once past Lord Shiva, it manifests to our senses on this planet as the source of the river Ganges in the Himalayas. Then it builds and flows through Haridwar and of course the rest of northern India. Looking at the inner part of the Puranic universe from one side, we can see the relationship between Dhruvaloka and the Earth at the below centre. From a visual point of view, Dhruvalok would be what we would call the pole star, Polaris, today. Looking up from the northern hemisphere of the Earth, all the stars move in a circle around the pole star once every 24 hours. This particular illustration shows the disk of buh-mandala at the bottom as horizontal. However, if the pole star is directly above the Earth, like shown here, then buh-mandala would actually be tipped by 23 degrees. That is because the Earth is tipped when compared with the root of the Sun, the ecliptic. Dhruvaloka is situated at the tail end of the Sisumara Dolphin constellation. This group of stars are described in chapter 23 of the 5th canto. Sages would meditate upon it as an external form of Lord Viṣhṇu. If we include the Sisumara in the daily rotation of the stars, it would look like this. Beautiful, actually. As described, everything revolves around the pole star, Dhruvalok. From our point of view at least, it is in the centre. And here's the gorgeous Milky Way rising above a clear night sky, seen from the Himalayas. Note it would have been more visible thousands of years ago, when there was much less pollution in the atmosphere. The Sisumara is described to be like a coiled snake. This is interesting because some have compared this to our galaxy, which is believed to be in a spiral, with the Dolphin being the visible arm of it. It is significant that these days our entire spiral galaxy is called the Milky Way, named after the one spiral arm we can see from Earth. Thanks for watching.